Hi ka-foodies! So today we're going to the airport pero dahil nabudol ako ni Kuya, may ibang plan siya.
Nagadating ka na doon?
Tada! Tara nang mag-ice cream. Welcome to La Vie Parisienne or Life in Paris kahit nasa Cebu tayo. Oh, diba? Sobrang aesthetic and napakaganda ng music and mahangin. Kahit nasa Paris tayo, gelato ang ice cream natin. So, for the experience, upon entrance, meron yung 200 pesos na consumable na babayaran. But you can consume it with gelato or other wines. Pero dahil bet ko ang gelato at magpanggap na nasa Italy kahit nasa Paris lang tayo. Go na si Bes!
Do you serve water? Tubig? Meron kayo?
Ayaw sa English, Tagalog na lang. Ang ganda ng view. Sobrang aesthetic. It's $1 million view. Worth it ang 200 petot. The background music is not edited. So, ganyan yun karo. Feeling mo na sa clouds ka na. Ay, sarap. Gusto ko na lang tumulala. These are the days we pray for. Happy ang person kasi may ice cream. And it's not your common ice cream. It's gelato and pistachios and dragon fruit. Breathtaking, alive in Paris with gelato sa Cebu. Imagine this breezy afternoon with beer, gelato, and accompanying the conversationalist pack. Sensationalizing ice cream and how it makes us happy. Happy Women's Month! I hope nag-enjoy kayo and nagutom. That will be all. Tata!